Hey there, guys. This is normally the part of our Wilson lesson where we'd start off with a quick drill. Today, we have Fancy Fox to help us out. He's going to be thinking of a letter tile, and your job at home is to say the letter, keyword, and the sound for the vowels only. When you get to consonants, welded sounds, and closed syllable exceptions, you're just going to say the letters on the card followed by the sound. I may stop at some points to ask you some questions about sounds and how often or when they make a sound. So we're going to start with our vowels, and they're going to be out of order. So we're not starting with A today. This is the schwa symbol. The keyword is wagon so far. So it's schwa, wagon, I. Now on to consonant sounds. Keep in mind that F is a bonus letter, and the way that we remember bonus letters are lonely, frightened, and scared. Remembering that the beginning letter in each of these words is doubled at the end of a one-syllable word. Okay, so L, F, and S are all bonus letters. Okay, let's try a few more consonants. Fancy Fox's favorite letter, X, Fox, X. Remember that S has a few sounds. It can say S as in snakes. It can say Z as in bugs. So it can make two different sounds in a suffix of a word. It can also say Z between two vowels. So if we look at this word here, I'm going to make the vowels brown. That S between them vibrates because it's between two vowels. It's between the two I's. Okay, on to our digraphs. We're only doing, we're going to do 3 in a row. Bear with me. Welded sounds. And finally, closed syllable exceptions. Remember that the vowels are long in these, which is why they're exceptions. Closed syllable usually has a short vowel. IND, kind, eind. OLD, cold, old. And the last two. OST, post, ost. OLT, colt, olt. Okay, now you're ready for our next activity.